Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today we cover Mintel. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to use their market research reports. Let's get started. Go to the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to find our A to Z list of databases. You'll find Mintel there. Mintel is a leading market intelligence agency, experts in what consumers want and why. Their database is a top content collection of market research reports. Every report contains detailed consumer data plus market context, drivers, size and forecast, and market/brand share. Their coverage is primarily business-to-consumer categories like food and drink, travel, beauty and personal care, pets, household goods, retail, apparel, and more. Create a free profile and log in to get the most out of Mintel's collaboration features like saved searches, creating presentations, and email alerts. Here is the main page. You can search or browse the content. Mintel is best known for its market research reports, but they do offer less detailed news content. First, we'll limit our search to reports only. You can sort by relevance or recency. If we wanted, we could filter by category. For example, food. Note the demographics filter. We could filter by Gen Z, for example. You can also search for a report. For example, cosmetics. Let's look at the Color Cosmetics US 2024 report. Mintel is currently updating its new reports to a format that looks like this one. Scroll down to read the entire report, or use the left menu to navigate. Mintel reports give a market overview, competitive strategies, and consumer insights. Use the plus symbols to dig deeper. We'll begin with consumer insights. Fast facts, then granular data about how and why consumers use cosmetic products. Note how Mintel methodology is attributed. Every item of consumer data can be used to make product and marketing decisions. For example, if you're launching a complicated cosmetic product, the report suggests that Gen Z women might be your best consumer segment. Note the bar chart graphic on the left menu. It links to the underlying Mintel interactive databook for color cosmetics. The interactive databook allows a deeper dive into consumer data. Let's look at makeup behaviors. There's a data-rich overview. But we can get even more. Click on Explore Demographics. Then explore the drop-down menus. Eye cosmetics usage. There are numerous demographic options to analyze. For example, gender and ethnicity. Now we can compare eye cosmetic usage across different demographic groups. If you're quantitatively inclined, it's a good idea to turn on significance testing. If you've logged into Mintel, you can download sections of every report. Not the entire report, but a portion of it. You can add data to a slide presentation. Now you know how to access Mintel, what's in it, and how to use their market research reports. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, contact the Parish Library, parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you, and boiler up!